In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert these points into money. I also going to show you a payout in live with the proof, guys. And also I'm going to review a website that allow you to make money on multiple websites. So if you want to make money on your free time, watch this video carefully. Otherwise you can't make money online. Before that, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channels. I make videos on make money online and how to make money, how to save money, how to invest money. All the videos, all the thing is free. I'm not selling anything. Show your support by liking and subscribing my channel, guys. Now here, this is the 32 points I earn. This is the website, one of the website I use. If I refresh this page, that you can see that 32 points will be added into my total points on here. That's now your total points is 1245. If I click reward, I have these things to complete. If I complete, I can earn another 700 points, something like that. But here again, I'm going to keep these points. I'm going to show you the reward. So I click this one called rewards. Now you can see this is the points. I'm going to click this one called redeem. On here, look carefully here, is called this thing called PayPal. So I don't want any gift card. I don't want to give this charity. I don't want any other things. I need a PayPal withdrawal. If you see this here, if you have 1150 points, you can withdraw 10 pounds, which is around $13. Okay, then you can see my total life points balance is 1245. But I can withdraw 10 pounds, which is around $13 for 1150 points. If I have a 1725 points, I can withdraw 15 pounds, which is around $18. I can do the rest of the surveys and get paid, but here I'm going to withdraw this money. So I'm going to click this one called 10 pound PayPal. You're going to click this one called spend live points now. And you're going to click this one called spend live points. So you're going to click this one called, I didn't add any PayPal address here. So you're going to click this one called create new address. Again, you're going to put your old address on here. And here, this is your PayPal address should be here. I filled my address and my PayPal address on here. I'm going to click this one called use this address. And I'm going to click this one called complete your order. That's it, guys. Within 1 to 2 days, I get this 10 pound PayPal onto my PayPal account, and you can see that my life points balance gone down to 95 points. Now here, I'm going to show you how you can make money like this every single day using other website. Before that, if you are from any other countries, you can use another website to do that, because some of these websites only work in a specific country. But to avoid that, you need to get this one called free VPN for Chrome. So if you have a Google Chrome, most of the people have a Google Chrome, you can go to Google and type free VPN for Chrome. This is an extension which is completely free. You don't have to buy anything, you don't have to put anything, just install it. You can see over 2 million people install this on their Google Chrome website. Here, after you install this, you can go to website like this one called Life Points or My Points, Swagbucks, Pinecone Research, and branded surveys, inbox dollars or inbox pound, opinion outpost, and isay.com. These are the website. These are the high paying survey website. All you need to have is this VPN in order to change your location into UK, USA or any other European country, and you can get a dummy address. But more importantly, you need to have a PayPal address in order to get paid. So if you put any wrong PayPal address, you won't get paid. So keep your PayPal address same. You can put the dummy address if they required, and you can use this free VPN to change your location, and you can register this website and you can get paid. All you need is a PayPal address, and better have the Gmail account. So most of these websites accept Gmail account. And again, don't forget, if you're from a Asian country or African country, install this one called free VPN for Chrome, and which enable to make money from this website. And again, I show you my live proof how much money I am making every single day from this website. Imagine that you're making $10 from this website. Take a 5 website here, guys, like a Live Points or Swagbucks or Pinecone Research or Inbox, you can make a £50 or $50 every single day using this website. All you need is this free VPN. Go ahead and try it yourself. If it works, leave that in the comment section. I will make a video like this one for you guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.